Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Meta AI from your Instagram. As you know, Instagram introduced this new feature that called Meta AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove it in your Instagram. If you are using Android or using iPhone, the process will be same. So first of all, we need to remove this chat by simply tap and hold on it and then simply tap on this delete, and now you have to confirm this tap on delete. But basically this is just deleting the chat. So how to remove Meta from your Instagram account? Just close it and open your mobile settings. Then you have to simply scroll down and tap on this apps. Now in here you have to search for Instagram. So scroll down until you see the Instagram. Here it is, tap on it. And now you just have to simply tap on this force stop, or if you are using an iPhone then you have to tap on the offload app. It will clear the app cache, and after that you can easily switch to the older version of Instagram. So just simply uninstall this application and install the previous app, and it can't show you the Meta AI. But make sure if you are using the latest Instagram update, you can't remove Meta AI from your Instagram. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.